What's up, TNT gang? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today I'm gonna show you how to disinfect your car and to keep you safer. Oh,
come on now, dog.
What's up, gang? It's your boy Tony B, and we back again with another video. And today I'm gonna show you how to disinfect your car and stay safe from this virus, y'all. If you want to see what I got going on, stay tuned. Oh wow, you stayed? That means you really care about it.
Nope.
Cool. Hey, so I'm gonna show you exactly how I disinfect my car. As y'all know, I used to be an Uber and Lyft driver, and disinfecting and keeping your car clean is one of our main priorities.
Psych.
As being a good Uber and Lyft driver. Also being a father, you wanna make sure that your car is well disinfected after you have all these people in your car. So the first thing I'm gonna show you how to prevent viruses and bacteria coming in your car.
Stop it.
All right, after I was rudely interrupted by that AC unit, yes, this is the first area that you want to check and make sure that is perfect. Wow, that it is clean of all debris. As you can see, there is a little bit of debris right there. This is where the airflow goes into when you have well, this is going to be where, you know, when you have the ventilation, it goes through here, and yeah, this is the intake. This is where we're gonna focus, right here. I just don't know, y'all, man, I don't know the scientific names for all this stuff. I just know what you're supposed to, what you're not supposed to do. And this is a bad example of what you should not do. You should not let this debris build up on your cowl up here. This is a breeding place for bacteria. You know, bacteria is something that can really get you sick. Viruses, you know, they don't feed off of this. They feed off of living organisms like us. So yeah, viruses, that wouldn't. That too much wouldn't breed viruses, but bacteria, it definitely would. So let's go ahead and clean that up over there, because that's bad news over there. We don't want any breeding ground for any bacteria. Now that we have that nice and clean, that cowl up there where all the intake air goes into, I'm gonna give you the sauce. Lysol has 99% virus and bacteria killing properties in it. So let's go over here and I'm gonna show you how to kill all the bacteria in your car. Bruh. All right, guys, first thing that you want to do, you want to start up your vehicle. You want to let down both of your windows. You want to turn on your air conditioning, full blast, AC, and you don't want recirculate. You want it to be vented. Next, get your Lysol spray. And you find these intake vents up here. As you can actually feel the air being pulled into the intake. And what you do, get your Lysol and you
Nope.
What you do is you get your Lysol and you. Dang, we out. We out of Lysol. Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do? Oh, I know what to do. We can make our own. Like I said before, y'all know with all these people hoarding all the Lysol wipes, Clorox wipes and everything, man. Sometimes we have to be innovative and make our own stuff. I'm gonna show you how to make your own disinfectant spray in multiple ways. You can make disinfectant wipes, but I'm gonna show you. Hey, y'all wait. I'm gonna give y'all the sauce. First thing you're gonna need an empty container. Next thing you're gonna need some alcohol. 70% is what you need. You need 70% alcohol. You can use 91%, but you have to water this down. Or you can just use a full strength. It doesn't even matter. We got some essential oils, and we even got white vinegar. You can use white vinegar and baking soda as a solution. You can use 71% alcohol just straight, plus some essential oils to give it a little bit of good smell. And yeah, that will give you a disinfectant spray that can kill all bacteria and viruses. Well, not all, but most of it. So let's go ahead and make the concoction so we can go ahead and make sure my family is safe, y'all. Cause these folks are here buying out everything, man. Don't make no sense. All right, guys, first thing first, we're gonna get our bottle. Don't worry about what's on here. This is an old bottle that I cleaned out. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get our 71% alcohol. We're gonna pour it in here. Don't have much, but I just wanna do this as demonstration purposes. Get yourself a little bit of smell good with some essential oils. I just do 2 drops in this little bit. And what you want to do, get this, mix him up a little bit, and you are ready to go. This is a good disinfectant spray. I know for surfaces for sure. I don't know about airborne, but we're gonna try it anyway. You can use you a towel, spray it, whatever is disinfected, whoever spit or cough down somewhere, and look, you are disinfecting the area and you're protecting your family from that virus. Okay, guys, I got another thing all right, guys, now that we've made our homemade disinfectant spray, I'm gonna go ahead. I got the vents on 100 again. Make sure it's not recirculating. It's from the outside vent. You make sure you spray it up in there. Wherever you see any vents up here on the cowl, make sure you spray it. Make sure you have the windows down. The first time you're gonna have the windows down so everything can come on out. I can smell it. Oh, I can smell it in here already, y'all. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Also, if you don't have any rubbing alcohol, and if you are drunk, you know what I'm saying? You can use some very strong alcohol. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you let that thing air out so when you drive, you don't get a DUI. But you can use, drinking alcohol too, especially that hard stuff. It can kill bacteria also and viruses and stuff like that. Another thing what you can do is come in your car, spray down any surface. Oh my God, spray down any surface that anybody touch. Your steering wheel, your dash. And on newer cars, they have cabin air perfect. And on new cars, they have air filters built into your AC system. They're cabin air filters. You can change those out. Those kill bacteria and all kinds of pollen, everything. It catches all that within the car. I already changed mine, so I'm not gonna do all that. Also, you can actually spray within each one of your vents. Do that. Your gear shift. Just everywhere. You can spray it everywhere. It's not going to ruin anything in your car. All it's doing is disinfecting. All right, guys, the last step that I do this one more time. Well, actually, first, I lit up all the windows. Gotta let up all the windows. Because this time, we're gonna try to trap the disinfectant spray inside of the car. Make sure you spray in the cowl again. Make sure you disinfect the whole thing. All right, what you want to do now is turn it off, leave it on recirculate, cut your car off, and what you want to do is close the door so it stays within and kills all the bacteria inside. Also, what you can do with this spray out here, wipe him down, and that's all you have to do, guys. Is that simple. Like I said again, all you have to do is use 71%
You stupid.
alcohol and above, and you're good. that's all I have for y'all today. I just wanted to give y'all that little knowledge. You know what I'm saying? You can use vinegar. Once again, vinegar, baking soda. You can make a concoction with that. You can use peroxide. You can use alcohol. Man, you can use drinking alcohol. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all that little quick tidbit because, you know, I want to make sure that y'all are good and taken care of, y'all. I thank y'all for watching the video. If you like it, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, your boy be dropping bangers all the time. And when you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see when your boy dropping them bangers. But all right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay safe out there. Love y'all. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool. Fight!